Hello! To set up screen lock on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here scroll down, go into the lock screen and AOD, and just on the top right here we have the screen lock and biometrics. So let's go in here. We have to input our current screen lock, and here we have the 4 or 5 screen locks available, and there's the pin one, password, pattern, swipe, which basically as you're in the lock screen. Let me just show you. As you're in the lock screen, all you have to do to unlock your phone is you have to swipe up. There's no lock screen method at all, and there's also none. So as you have none lock screen method, as you enable the phone, as you wake up your phone, there is already your home screen available. So yeah, so to set up the screen lock, all you have to do is just select the method that you like, any method that you like. For example, the pin one, set up the pin, press continue, use anyway, and confirm this pin right here. And yeah, right here we have the lock screen notifications. We can enable or disable them and press done. And as you can see, now we have the screen lock as pin selected. And now as I lock the phone and try to unlock it, I have to input my pin right here. And yeah, that's how to set up the screen lock on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching.